Here we go. Okay, now we're live. And it's time to open up another box. Our second box of beautiful bowls. Gonna see some beautiful glittery gold stuff soon. Gotta count the bowls. Help us count the bowls, and I'll get you a special discount on your bowl. What do we got here? What does that say? That's so weird. Something Tibetan. I don't know what that is, but here's our first big beautiful ball.
It looks like it's 15 inches.
Yeah, it does. Want to make a sound with that?
Definitely 15 inches.
Oh, so pretty. Okay, bowl number one. Oh, give me the plastic so I can add it to the next one. Okay. There's another one.
Bowl number two.
Bowl number two. Okay.
That's another 15 inch.
Oh, bigger. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That's a big bowl. I think we just got bowled over, Doug.
Oh, it's two, that's what.
Oh, hey, Julia, Angel, she's watching. Yeah, we have some pretty amazing bowls that have been shipped to us from Nepal. That's what you're watching, Julia. Oh, gotta try and get them apart, honey.
I know.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Are we sure there's two? Oh, yeah, there's definitely two. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Maybe you turn it upside down, honey.
Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that.
Let's try that. Maybe there's not very much else in here. Okay, make a wish, everyone. We can get these bowls apart. We may not be able to, honey.
Well, I think it's this jam from the plastic.
Oh. Is that all the bowls in here? That's it.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah. Oh, I see what it's being held up for. Nope, we got two bowls stuck together, guys.
Go in the
Okay.
kitchen. Tim, move out of the way. I gotta go in the kitchen, it's heavy.
Okay, I guess we're done. That's it. Just 4 big bowls and a gong here. So we'll just... It's a much shorter live streaming video than we thought it was going to be, because we thought there was going to be more bowls in here, but well, we got some more gongers. Also. But that seems to be it for the bowls. No more bowls, just big ones. Oh no, there's more bowls. Look, I found more bowls. Oh, how cute, little tiny bowl. Look at this. Yep, got a little tiny, beautiful little bowl. Was hidden in the corner. And there's more! There's more, guys! Okay, so this makes number 5. Look at how cute that little bowl is. Let me put that over here. Since Doug is busy trying to get those other two. My God, there's more bowls! More bowls, Doug. Okay, so that was... 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. Okay. And oh my God, there's more. Okay. I think that makes 8. And I think that's it, guys. Oh. See this one. And let's do this. Get a nice ring out of it for you guys when we're done. Hey Chris, hey Michelle. Just doing one last gong on the bowl for everyone. 8 bowls in the second box. We'll let you know when we're going to do the next one, probably tomorrow morning. Love to everyone, compassion and kindness and unconditional love. May we see our world getting more loving and kind. Love to all.